अच्छा, जस्ट इमेजिन अगर तुम्हारा घर इन पहाड़ों में होता तो कैसा रहता। रोज़ ऐसे ही किसी गलियों में निकल जाते तुम घूमने के लिए, और अगर सब्जी खरीदने का मन करता तो शायद ऐसे जगह पे चलते, और अगर कपड़े खरीदने का मन करता तो शायद यहाँ पे, और अगर थोड़ा टहलने का मन करता तो शायद यहाँ पे बैठने से ही तुम्हारा दिल बहल जाता, है ना? नाउ बिफोर मूविंग अहेड, लेट्स मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ट्रिप एंड अ ट्रैवल एक्सपीरियंस, क्योंकि बहुत लोगों को ट्रिप और ट्रैवल के बारे में पता ही नहीं होता। बेसिकली अ ट्रिप इज अबाउट कंप्लीटिंग द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ प्लेसेस इन अ सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम, यानी कि जितना जल्दी हो सके बहुत सारी जगहों को कवर करना, और मैक्सिमम लोग ऐसा ही करते हैं।
What about if you go to Nongjarong tomorrow early morning, Nongjarong, and then we're gonna go to Krangsuri and Fifi together. One day, 3 places.
On the other hand, travel is all about experience. किसी नए जगह को जानना, वहाँ के लोगों को जानना, बहुत सारा टाइम लेके एक ही जगह को एहसास कर पाना, यही होता है ट्रैवल।
Meghalaya, also known as the abode of clouds. But do you know what's the capital city of Meghalaya? That is Shillong. And when you talk about Shillong city, Shillong is definitely very developed and lively. एक चीज़ और है, अगर इवनिंग में तुम बाहर जाओगे तो लोकल से ज़्यादा ना आपको टूरिस्ट देखने को मिल जाएगा. But there's something different about Shillong city. You know, the whole city gets shut down within sharp 9 p.m. Means you won't get anything after that except few food hotels, और वो भी sharp 9:30 के अंदर बंद हो जाता है. And when we went to Cherrapunji, there the last limit was not 9 p.m. but it was 8 o'clock. And if you want to experience the vibe of Shillong city, and even if you want to visit for local sightseeing, then of course you need a vehicle. So if you ask me, from my experience, the best budget-friendly option will be a two-wheeler. Not only because of budget, but also because it will be easier for you to navigate. देखो यार, शिलोंग में अगर घूमना है तो स्कूटी से ही घूमो. देखो कितना सारा गाड़ी कितना देर तक खड़ा है, लेकिन स्कूटी और बाइक के लिए जगह है.
And if you want to rent a two-wheeler, then of course you're gonna get a lot of options. So from my recommendation, you can visit Shillong Scooty and Bike Rentals to rent a two-wheeler. And this is our second visit in Shillong, and we chose the same place to rent a two-wheeler. And that is only because of the owner, because he is such a nice guy. In difficult times, he was the only person to help us.
When it comes to Meghalaya, this place is literally the treasure of scenic beauties. Even if you spend a couple of weeks, there will still be something that you will leave behind. You don't have to go to any tourist attractions. यहाँ के रास्ते ना कहीं पे भी रुक जाओ तुम, you are gonna get beautiful sceneries.
Majority of the people here in Meghalaya are Christians, and they are well educated and well mannered. If you interact with the locals and spend some time with them, then you will surely end up smiling. Their main language is Khasi, and if you are a tourist, then you can interact in English. और हिंदी भी थोड़ा बहुत चलता है, but not everyone can understand. People are very sweet and hardworking, and an interesting fact about here is that in Meghalaya, females manage the outside work, whereas males manage the home. Like शादी के बाद भी males actually move to their spouse's home. Meghalaya is a huge place of natural beauty, and one cannot explore all the places in one go. We spent almost 8 days in Meghalaya, and we explored 9 such tourist places, which includes some waterfalls, caves, and canyons. And Meghalaya is not only about tourist places but also about so many unexplored places. This place doesn't deserve a trip, but a long holiday from you.